Hi guys, today we're going to draw a rabbit inside a water can. First you do this. After when you do that, you will do this. When you do that, you draw you do this. After when you do that, you do this. Just don't care about that sound. Wait, I will turn it off. After when you do that, we do this. When you do that, you do this. This one should, your drawing should look like. After that, we will do this. Like this. When you do that, you do this. You put a hole in your watering can. See? After when you do that hole, you do this. After when you do that, you do this. And you do it again and again. After when you do that, you will do it again. It should be like this. After that, you do this. You put a tiny hole. After that, we will do this. Then you do this. After that, you do this. I'm waiting for you guys. You guys ready? Okay. Then you do this. After that, you do this. You put some text like this. After that, you put the name. Then do this. After when you do this, you will do this. After when you do that, put holes here. Like this. When you do that, you put a mouth. Actually, you don't need a mouth, but if you want to, or not, you can make one. After that, put one of the ears here. Here, let me show you. After that, we're done. Okay, bye-bye, guys. We'll make some more droplets after this video is end. So if you want to watch some more, then just subscribe and like to this channel. Bye. Please do it. Please do it. It's free. It's free. Please subscribe. Please, guys. Please, 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 please. I really need you to subscribe. This is my first time and my first day of making my new channel.